Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning. No one is saying anything. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Ananya. Good morning, good morning. Remaining people not saying anything. Kusma, good morning. Durga Prasad, good morning. Manish Chala, good morning. Sajid Hussain, good morning. Chintu, good morning. Ruchi, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, Bagunara, Bagunara. Everyone Manchi at home. Bagunara, everyone Manchi. Bagunara, everyone Manchi. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Yeah, I'm also good. I'm also good. Directly proportional. If student is manchi, definitely teacher will be also manchi. If student is fine, teacher will be also fine. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Yeah. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? Chilling or studying? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? Chilling with studying. Very good, Ananya. Yeah, we are not normal people, sir. We are ultra pro legends. We also chill, sir, but we don't chill with the normal ways. We are chilling, sir, but we are chilling with studying. Because we have target to become doctor in the NEET 2024. That's why we are also chilling. For us, study is not burden, sir. For us, study is also a type of chilling. That's why we are chilling with studying. Yeah, okay, no problem. Monday class will not be there. Monday and Tuesday, I think your space exam is there. So preparation time has been given to you. Some because space exam means 3 weeks syllabus will be there. So definitely you get some time for preparation. So preparation time is given. Only teaching is not important. You must get proper time of self-study. So that's why class will not be there. Okay, no problem. Acha, t-shirt nice. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Nice person wears anything that will be nice. Nothing to worry. Yeah. Okay. No problem. No problem. Yeah. So integration part will not be there. Basic maths will not be there in the this space exam. I think syllabus came to you. Syllabus was sent in the group. Durga Prasad is saying SSD. I accept that. No problem. No problem. Yeah. So basic part will not be there. Proper syllabus will be there. Proper syllabus will be there. Pansar is also fine. Maybe he's having some other classes there. He's busy. After that, he will join for online also. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Huh? So shall we start with the class? Shuru kare? Shall we start with the class? Good morning. Yeah. Yeah, he will come. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. So shall we start with the class? Shuru kare? Shuru kare? So what we have to start today? Any idea you have? What we have to start today? Any idea on the? Any idea on the? What we will start today? We'll start with mug. In short, we call it mug. Actually, we'll start with motion under gravity. So you can write motion under gravity. Okay, no problem. Yeah. No problem. We'll start with motion under gravity. Last class we studied Galileo's ratio. We studied how to use Galileo's ratio. We did some special type of numericals also. So all these things we completed. Today we will start with our next part, that is motion under gravity. In short, I will write that as mug. Motion under gravity. But you write complete. You write complete. Otherwise, after few days, you will revise, you will be confused. What is mug? What is mug? You will be confused. Mug or jug? Motion under gravity, joker under gravity. That is jug. No problem, no problem. Yeah. So let's start with motion under gravity. So shall we start? Shall we start? Shall we start? Motion under gravity. शुरू कर दे. मुदलैंदी. हाँ बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड या मोशन अंडर ग्रेविटी वी विल स्टार्ट विथ आवर पार्ट मोशन अंडर ग्रेविटी नो प्रॉब्लम या so in the beginning we will talk about few basic points yeah John under gravity that also you can say no problem yeah so in the beginning we will talk about some basic part then slowly yeah You have to remember up to NEET 2024. Yeah, okay. So we'll start slowly, some basic part. Then we will talk about different situations related with our motion under gravity. And this motion under gravity will not complete today. Today we will start. Next week also we have to study things related with motion under gravity. So dhyan dena, be focused. Yeah. So motion under gravity means any body which is performing motion under the effect of gravity. Only under the effect of gravity, not any other thing. If a body is performing motion only under the effect of gravitational force, only under the effect of gravity is known as, its motion is known as motion under gravity. Okay, no problem, yeah. And I think everyone knows gravitational force will give you acceleration. Can you tell me how we represent that acceleration due to gravity? How we represent acceleration due to gravity? How we represent acceleration due to gravity? How we represent acceleration due to gravity? We represent acceleration due to gravity by small g. We represent acceleration due to gravity by small g, and value of this small g will be our 9.8 meter per second square. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, so I think everyone knows value of acceleration due to gravity. Of course, gravitational force will be there. Due to force, F equal to ma. Acceleration will be there. So this is the acceleration which gravity provides to everybody. So acceleration due to gravity for everybody will be coming as 9.8 meter per second square. And for numerical purpose, we can take g equal to 10 meter per second square. Approximately, for numerical purpose, we can take also 10 meter per second square. Means approximately we can take 10. Actually, its value is 9.8. Otherwise, for numerical purpose, we will take 10. Actually, tell me if nothing is given in the NEET exam. For example, one question came this year in the NEET where they were talking about projectile. In projectile, they did not give any value of g. There, how much value of g you will take, 10 or 9.8? If nothing is given, only question is given. If nothing is given, then what value of g you will take? No, 9.8. Arey Baba, actual value of acceleration due to gravity is not 10. Actual value is 9.8. For numerical, for making numerical easy. If they want you to take 10, I'm talking about NEET exam. If they want you to take 10, they will mention in the question in bracket g equal to 10. If nothing is mentioned, we will always take acceleration due to gravity as 9.8 meter per second square. Always keep this thing in your mind. If they want you to take 10, they will mention in the question. It will be mentioned in the question, take acceleration due to gravity 10. If nothing is mentioned, you will take acceleration due to gravity as 9.8 meter per second square. Is it okay? बात समझ में आया? 10 is not the value of acceleration due to gravity. 10 is the approximate value. Accurate value of g is 9.8. So in question, if they did not mention any value of g, you have to take g as 9.8. If they want you to take 10 for calculation, if they want you to take 10, they will mention g equal to 10. So this is how we are talking about. No problem. Now dhyan dena. Few basic points I will talk. Just here. Yeah. Achha, tell me, is this acceleration due to gravity depends on mass of the body? Is a body, for example, if a body has more mass, that means it will have more acceleration due to gravity? Is it like that? Is acceleration due to gravity depends on mass of the body? No, always remember this is force. Gravitational force will depend on mass. But acceleration due to gravity is independent of mass. You can write this point. Acceleration due to gravity, you can write this point. Very good. Yeah. Acceleration due to gravity do not depend on mass of the body. Yeah, Kusma, correct. Acceleration due to gravity do not depend on mass of the body. Small g, that is acceleration due to gravity, do not depend on mass of the body. Do not depend on mass of the body. Do not depend on mass of the body. Yeah. Inversely proportional. What is that? Yeah. Force depends on mass. If you see gravitational force of gravity depends on mass. That will be equal to mg. Force will depend on mass. Force of gravity will depend on mass. But when you calculate acceleration, you know acceleration will be coming as force by mass. So that will become mg by m. M will get cancelled, and that's why we will getting acceleration due to gravity as g, which is independent of mass, independent of mass of body. Doesn't matter what is the mass, independent of mass of body. Doesn't matter if it is lighter body, heavy body, all bodies will have same acceleration due to gravity. Is it okay? Is it okay? Bol do ek baar. Are you getting all the points? If anyone asks you, does force depend on mass? Yes, sir, gravitational force will depend, but acceleration will not depend, because for acceleration you do force by mass. So mass will get cancelled. Acceleration due to gravity is independent of mass of the body. That means from here I can say one thing. From here we can get one conclusion. Just see here, okay. You tell me, if I drop a heavy body, for example, assume this body is of mass 1 kg, another body is of mass 100 kg. You can see mass of this is much more than this. Yeah. From the same height, I am dropping both bodies. Can you tell me which body will reach ground first? For example, if I am saying this body is A, this body is B, which body will reach ground first? Rutvika is saying 1 kg. No, Baba. Are acceleration due to gravity. Distance is same. Acceleration is same. Time taken will be same. Both bodies will reach ground at the same time. When they will reach, time taken by A will be same as time taken by B. Acha, who will strike ground with more velocity, A or B? Who will strike ground with more velocity, A or B? A or B? Who will strike ground with more velocity? अरे both will strike with same velocity, Baba. छी कैसे बच्चे हो Baba? Class 9th I am asking. Yeah, I thought you already know. Better I told you. Because always remember, velocity will come with the help of velocity. Has nothing to do with force. Force gives acceleration. Acceleration has to deal with velocity. Since acceleration is same, time is same, they will reach the ground with same velocity at the same time. Both will reach the ground. VA will be same as VB. There will be no difference in the velocity. There will be no difference in the time. Achha, who will have more momentum, A or B? Who will have more momentum? Who will have more momentum? Who will have more kinetic energy? Now when you talk about momentum, then mass will come. If you talk about momentum, V is same, so P equal to mv. Mass more means momentum will be more. B will have more momentum. Who will have more kinetic energy? B will have. So their effect of mass will come in momentum. Effect of mass will come in kinetic energy, not in the velocity, not in the time. Because velocity and time will be calculated by equation of motion. In equation of motion, nowhere mass was involved. So mass will not decide velocity and time, but momentum will decide. Yeah, momentum will be decided. So I can say PB will be more than PA. And similarly, we can say kinetic energy of B will be more than kinetic energy of A. Is it okay? Is it okay? आगे बढ़े. Is it okay? आगे बढ़े. Is it okay? आगे बढ़े. हाँ. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah, okay. And here in all this situation, we ignore air resistance. Air resistance we are not considering, because in the NEET we have to study situations where air resistance is ignored. So that's why. Okay, no problem, no problem. So before moving further, I will again ask you a few points. Yeah. You tell me which body will have more acceleration due to gravity, heavy body or light body? Which body will have more acceleration due to gravity, heavy body or light body? Which will have more acceleration due to gravity? Both will have same, sir. Both will have same. That same values. That's why everywhere G is same now we say. That's why for all body we use same G now. Because G do not depend on mass. It will be same 9.8, nothing given. If it is given, then we will take G as 10. No problem, no problem. Achha, tell me, if I drop a heavy body and light body from the same height, which body will strike ground first, heavy or light? If I drop a heavy body and light body from the same height, which body will reach the ground first, heavy or light? Jaldi batao. Both will reach at the same time with the same speed. same time low, same speed low, hit Chandy, but their momentum will be different because depending on mass, their kinetic energy will be different depending on mass. So up to this, I think everyone got the idea. Nothing to worry, nothing to worry. Yeah. Okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah. In childhood, if you remember, one question used to be asked: if you drop a paper and a ball from the same height, ball will reach ground first, paper will reach late. Can you tell me why? Why paper reaches late? Because paper has air resistance. Paper don't fall like this. Paper feather. They talk about not density, Baba. Air resistance, and that air resistance we ignore here. So air resistance we don't consider. So if you drop them in vacuum, both will reach ground at the same time with the same speed. In our environment, if you drop paper will reach late because paper will show air resistance. Wind is flowing now, so paper will not fall straight like this. Paper will fall like this. That's why it takes more time. Otherwise, acceleration due to gravity, same for paper also, same for ball also. That value is 9.8. If you drop them in vacuum without air resistance, both will reach ground at the same time with the same speed. Done. बोलो. आगे बढ़ जाए. बोल दो एक बार. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. या नाउ ध्यान देना. बी फोकस on very conceptual points we will talk. Yeah. अच्छा, can you tell me what is the direction of acceleration due to gravity? Acceleration is vector now. Acceleration due to gravity is vector now. So what is direction of acceleration due to gravity? What is direction of acceleration due to gravity? Downward, vertically downward. Don't say negative. Negative, positive will be decided how you are performing the motion. Acceleration due to gravity, whether you throw the ball up or whether you throw the ball down, doesn't matter. Acceleration due to gravity is always vertically downward towards center of earth. You can write acceleration due to gravity. In short, you can write small g. You can write small g is always directed. Small g is always directed vertically downward. Small g is always directed vertically downward towards the center of earth. Small g is always directed vertically downward towards center of earth. Small g is always directed vertically downward towards center of earth. Doesn't matter in which direction. Doesn't matter in which direction. Doesn't matter in which direction we are projecting the body. Doesn't matter in which direction we are projecting the body. Doesn't matter in which direction we are projecting the body. So always remember, acceleration due to gravity will be always acting vertically downward. Doesn't matter in which direction you are projecting the body. You are projecting upward, you are projecting downward, doesn't matter. Is it okay up to this? Is it okay? Because one very important thing I am going to tell now. Is it okay? Doesn't matter. कैसे फेंकते हो? This is what Newton discovered. Apple will always fall down. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah, okay, no problem. This is how we have talked about. Okay. Now ध्यान देना, be focused. ध्यान देना, main part. You know, main confusion, every student know acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. Every student knows acceleration due to gravity will act vertically downward. We are studying from class 3/4, we are studying acceleration due to gravity will be downward. Anything released will go downward. So acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. But main problem come in numerical. Because sometimes you'll find they will use acceleration due to gravity plus g. That is plus 9.8. In some situation, I will use acceleration due to gravity as minus 9.8. Sometimes we use A equal to plus G. Sometimes we use A equal to minus G. Can you tell me why? Are G is having fixed direction. Then why I am using sometimes A as plus G, sometimes I am using A as minus G? Depend. ध्यान दो. This is the main point where people feel problem. Sir, in the question sometimes they will take plus g. Sir, here shall I take plus g or shall I take minus g? Always remember, plus and minus depends on our projection. How we are throwing the ball. When you are throwing the ball vertically up now, it is going against gravity. Against gravity means gravity will retard the motion. If gravity will retard the motion, A will be equal to minus G. ध्यान दो. Always remember, G direction is not changing. Problem is not with acceleration due to gravity. Problem is with our projection. Sometimes we project the ball up, sometimes we project the ball down. When we project the ball up, ball goes against the gravity. Their acceleration due to gravity is negative because gravity will oppose the motion. And when the ball goes down, gravity also down, their gravity will support the motion. Their A will be equal to plus G. So always remember, if we are projecting the ball upward, if the ball is going upward, if the journey of the ball is upward, you know gravity will act downward na baba. Gravity will act downward. This is the direction of G na. So against the gravity you are going. Against the gravity means gravity will retard the motion. Here we will take A equal to minus G. And when you are taking the ball, when you are throwing the ball downward, your ball already going downward. Your ball already going downward. You know G will be also downward na baba. G direction, see here, G direction will not change whether you are throwing up or down. But when you are throwing up, G is against your motion. Against means retardation. When you are throwing down, G is in direction of your motion. That means gravity is supporting. Your ball is also going down. Gravity also going. Gravity also down. That means gravity is supporting the motion. So here we take A equal to plus G. Is it okay? Is it okay? समझ में आया? बोल दो एक बार. So when to take G positive, when to take G negative, you can get from here. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See all this situation, then we will move further. We'll start with one special case of motion under gravity. We will study in 2-3 parts. One part we will start, which is in our this weekend syllabus. Once you can see, once completed, you can say done, sir. Durga Prasad already said done, sir. Wow. Farida said done, sir. Plessy said done, sir. Wow. No problem, no problem, no problem. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Very simply we are talking. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Again, before starting that part, I want to be 100% sure that everyone has got the idea. You tell me, when you are throwing the ball up or down, does direction of gravity is changing? Does direction of gravity is changing? I am throwing ball up. One situation I am throwing ball down. Does direction of gravity is changing? Come on, tell me. Does direction of gravity change कर रहा है क्या? Tell me, does that? Gravity means vertically downward. So why sometimes I am taking plus G, sometimes I am taking minus G, sometimes I am taking acceleration plus G. Why? You are saying that gravity is not changing direction, always downward. So why sometimes I am taking A as plus G, sometimes I am taking A as minus G? What's the reason? Tell me the reason. So depends. If the gravity is supporting the motion, means motion also downward, gravity also downward, their gravity we will take as plus G. Because downward, both will be in the same direction, it will support the motion. A will be equal to plus G. Achha, tell me, when you throw the ball up, why we are taking A as minus G? Yeah, very good. Everyone is giving the answer. When I am throwing the ball up, why I am taking A as minus G? When I am throwing the ball up, why I am taking A as minus G? Because G is down, motion is up now. Against gravity you are going now. Against means negative. Against means retardation. Retardation means negative acceleration. So this is how we have. I think everyone has got the idea till now. Yeah, very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Yeah. Now we'll study one part of motion under gravity. Different motions we can have. We'll study about one part. You write. This is the weekend syllabus we have. You write vertically upward projection from ground. Vertically upward projection from ground. This is the first part of mug. which we'll study. Vertically upward projection from ground. Vertically upward projection from ground. So see here how the things will be there and develop understanding. Maybe some formula will come. Most of the time questions are asked from those formula. You can dump the formula, you can get the answer, but develop understanding. Develop understanding because some tricky questions can be also asked. Just see here, yeah. Okay, okay. So vertically upward projection from the ground means you are sitting on the ground. You are sitting on the ground and you are throwing a ball vertically upward. This is the meaning of vertically upward projection. Tomorrow we will project upward from the tower also. Tomorrow we will project ball downward from the tower also. Right now I am talking about vertically upward projection. Ground pe baith ke I am sitting here, I am throwing the ball vertically upward. Vertically upward projection. The way every time you have something in your hand, you keep on throwing. That is vertically upward projection from ground. So of course, if you are projecting, you'll project with some speed u. If you are projecting the ball vertically up, you'll project the ball with some speed u. Okay, no problem, no problem. Now ball will go, reach the maximum height. From there, ball will come back. Can you tell me with how much speed ball will come back? If you are throwing the ball with speed u, with how much speed ball will come back? If you have thrown the ball with speed u, with how much speed ball will come back? Air resistance ignored every time. If you throw with u, ball will come back with the same speed u. If you talk about velocity, then this is u, this is minus u. Dhyan dena. If they talk about speed, you are throwing the ball with speed u, it will come back with speed u. But if someone says, if I am throwing the ball with velocity u, then it will come back with velocity minus u. Why I am putting for velocity, why I am putting minus u? Bata, for velocity, why I am putting minus u? If someone asks me velocity, I will put minus u there. Why? Because velocity is vector, direction reverse na. Speed has nothing to do with direction. So if you throw with speed u, ball will come with speed u. But if you throw with velocity u, ball will come back with velocity minus u. Okay, no problem. Now dhyan dena. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Now, now you tell me. Now be focused. Also see the derivation, because this derivation will help you to do some tricky questions which are asked from here. Achha, can you tell me when ball will reach to the maximum height? When the ball is going up. When the ball will reach to maximum height, can you tell me while going up, what is the final velocity? At the maximum height, what is the final velocity? What is the final velocity at the maximum height? It will become 0. That is the meaning of maximum height na. If velocity will be still there, it will still go up. It's not going up further. That means at the while going up, final velocity at the maximum height will become 0. Only here, not here. Here velocity is there. Slowly velocity will decrease. This is what you are saying now. Gravity is against, gravity is opposing. So opposing means slowly velocity will decrease at maximum height. Velocity will become 0. Achha, can you tell me for going up, I should take plus when the ball is going up. Shall I take A as plus G or minus G? I should take plus G or minus G? I should take plus G or minus G? Minus G. You are going against gravity. That's why this is what I was saying you. You are going against the gravity. So slowly speed will decrease. It will become 0. After that, it will come down. After that, yeah. So A will be equal to minus G. Now dhyan dena. Just see here. Be focused. Just see here. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Now, okay, sir, we understood the motion. We got the idea, sir. When you throw with u, ball will go to maximum height. At the maximum height, velocity will become 0. Acceleration throughout the motion, it is going against the gravity. So, acceleration will be minus g. No problem. Now, dhyan dena, just here. Now, what are the things which will be asked from here? Whenever you throw anything up, first thing you think, in childhood you have performed this experiment now, you have done like this now with your friends, you are playing. When you throw the ball up, what you first thing observe? Kya observe karte ho when the ball you are throwing up? Kya observe karte ho? Play with your friends, you have a competition with your friends. What you observe for the balls? Come on. What you observe when you throw the ball vertically up? Kya dekhte ho? maximum height. Whose ball went to more height? That is the first thing that we will calculate. So when you are throwing the ball vertically up, what is the maximum height ball is attending? What is the maximum height? Second thing, how much time ball is taking to reach back to our hand? How much time it is taking to go up? And how much time it is taking to come down? Those things, these two things we will talk. Just here, yeah. Now, if anyone asks me maximum height, I will simply say, sir, at maximum height, what is the final velocity? 0. What is the initial velocity? U. What is acceleration? Minus g. Now tell me, do you know any equation? Yeah. H max here. This height is also your displacement. When the ball is going to the maximum height, H max is also your displacement, na baba. They are now asking you H max. H max means distance. Distance here means from here to top, from bottom to top. That is also your displacement. Now, which equation I should use? Third equation of motion. Very good. Third equation. Sir, I know final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration. I want H max. I can use third equation of motion, sir. V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Now, what is V, sir? V is 0. So, 0 square minus U square. U is U. U square will be equal to 2A. A is minus G. And S is our H max into H max. Now from here, if you solve this, minus will get cancelled. You will get maximum height which ball will attain. That will be coming as U square by 2G. This is the maximum height which the ball attains when you throw the ball vertically up. Many of you remember this result also, very good. And this is the derivation for this result. Means we are using equation of motion. Motion under gravity is nothing new. It's simply application of equation of motion. Is it okay? Is it okay? Bolo. We'll talk about time also. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. Now, this is H max. Keep this result in your mind. We will use this result at so many places. Yeah. Now, second important point, sir, H max we understood, sir. You use third equation of motion. You said at the maximum height, velocity is 0, sir. Initial velocity known, A will be minus G. We use third equation. But tell us time, sir. Here, when you calculate the time now, time will be divided into two parts. One will be time of ascent and one will be time of descent. One is the time when the ball will go up. One is the time when ball will go down. So time of ascent will also come, time of descent will also come. You tell me if air resistance is not considered, which time will be more, ascent or descent? We will use first equation, correct, to get the time. If air resistance is not there, which time will be more? Both will be equal. Because same gravity is retarding, same gravity is accelerating, both will be same. So without air resistance 0, if you consider air resistance 0, time of ascent and time of descent both will be same. Air resistance 0 means, so time of ascent and time of descent will be same. You can find time of ascent very easily. You will simply say, sir, you want time now, you want time to go to up now, you want the time to go to maximum height now. I can use first equation. From here to here. So final velocity, I am calculating for time. I am doing calculation. So final velocity will become 0. Initial velocity U. A is minus G into T. That means time of ascent will come U by G. And that will be also time of descent. Same time it will take for going up also. Same time for coming down also. That means total time of journey will become ascent plus descent. Going and coming. That means total time will become 2U by G. This is the second result for which we were working. Total time of flight of the ball will be 2U by G. U by G to go up, U by G to come down. First you can write all these things. एक बार लिख लो. अच्छा, if air resistance is considered, then It is not in NEET syllabus, but practical things, so they can ask. It is in not NEET syllabus is only about ignoring air resistance. We don't consider air resistance, but for general knowledge I am saying, if air resistance is considered, then which time will be more? Always remember, this we will never use in any numerical, just for extra knowledge, practical thing. So tomorrow they may ask you, so just keep this thing in your mind. If you consider air resistance, considering air resistance, if you consider air resistance, then time of descent will come more than time of ascent. Keep this thing in your mind. If you consider, then if anyone asks you what is relation between time of ascent and descent, always say equal. But in the question, if it's separately mentioned, considering air resistance, tell me which time is more. So time of descent will be more than time of ascent. Yeah, not important, never asked, it will not come also, but general knowledge I gave you. Everyone has written all these things. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. I will ask some questions from you, then we will do some numericals. We'll start from this part. Once you can see completed, you can say done sir. And once I will say done sir, you start saying done sir. OPICA ले दो, no problem. Why to have OPICA sir? Doctor बनना है. We are not going to become clerk or anything. We are working to become doctor. We have the hunger. We have the zeal to study. Okay, very good, very good. So before moving further, tell me what is the maximum height attained if you throw the ball from ground with speed u? What is the formula to calculate maximum height attained? बता दो जल्दी. H max will be equal to. जल्दी बताओ. H max will be equal to u square by 2g. H max will be equal to u square by 2g. U square by 2g. H max, ध्यान से keep this thing in your mind. Maximum height attained by the ball thrown from ground will be, H max will be equal to u square by 2g. U square by 2g. And what is the total time of flight? What is the total time of flight? What is the total time in which ball will come back? 2u by g, sir. U by g to go, u by g to come. So 2u by g, total time will be coming as 2u by g. U by g going, u by g coming. So total time will come 2u by g. H max will be coming as, sir, u square by 2g. Achha, if I consider air resistance, then which time will be more? Considering air resistance, which time will be more? Descent or ascent? Yeah, TD will be more. Time of descent will be more than time of ascent. Yeah. You can think about the reason also. If you don't get, you can ask me in the next class. I can tell you the reason also. Reason also I can tell, but okay. First you think, then we will talk. Yeah. Now we start with one question. You write. Chalo ek question now. Do one question. You write. You write. A ball is projected vertically upward. Direct formula based, I will give you first two questions. A ball is projected vertically upward with a speed of 20 meter per second. Means you will take G as 10. If it is 19.16, something like that, then you will take G as 9.8. When a ball is projected vertically upward with a speed of 20 meter per second. Find H max and time of flight. Find H max and time of flight. A ball is projected vertically upward with a speed of 20 meter per second. Find H max and time of flight. Direct formula based. 20 and 4 will come. Sir, H max will come, we know, sir. Maximum height attained. Just now we studied with the help of third equation of motion. Sir, u square by 2g. U square by 2g. Sir, u is known 20. So 20 square by 2g. G is also 10, sir. So from here it will come 20 meter. Sir, time of flight we know. This is very simple. That's why I'm doing fast. Time of flight we know, sir. 2u by g. So just put the value, sir. What is u? U is 20. G is 10, sir. So from here it will be coming as 4 seconds. Is it okay? Everyone is able to apply formula? What is the speed of the ball at maximum height? What is the speed of the ball at maximum height? If anyone asks you what is the speed of the ball at maximum height? What is the speed of the ball at maximum height? Zero. So what is the acceleration of the ball at maximum height? What is the acceleration? Speed at the maximum height is 0. What is the acceleration at the maximum height? Acceleration will be g vertically down. This is also a special case at the maximum height. ध्यान दो, this is also asked in assertion reasoning. हमेशा ध्यान रखो, at the maximum height velocity became 0, but gravity is still there now, so gravity will be still g and direction will be vertically downward. Direction will be vertical. That's why many people are saying minus g. That's also correct. Yeah. So this is a special case which says even when velocity is 0, body can have acceleration. This is a special case which says even when velocity becomes 0, body can have acceleration. Any example is there? This is the example. At the maximum height, velocity becomes 0, but acceleration is not 0. You can write this special case. They can give you an assertion. So even when velocity is 0, body can have acceleration. That statement is correct. Is it okay? Shall we move towards next question? आगे बढ़ जाएं? बोल दो एक बार. Now ध्यान देना. Understand the point which I am trying to tell. Formula everyone knows. Maximum height attained for vertically upward projection. H max will be coming as u square by 2g. U square by 2g. Time of flight will be coming as 2u by g. 2u by g. Total time of flight 2u by g. U by g going. U by g coming. So H max will come u square by 2g. But where problem comes? If this type of question will come, I am 100% sure. You can apply the formula. You can get the answer. But where problem comes, sir, is everyone is able to do all the questions of vertically upward projection? No. Dhyan dena. Understand what I am trying to put in your brain. Equation, these formulas which you have studied now, they are only for H max and total time of flight. If they ask you in between, if someone asks you, what is the speed of the ball at half of the maximum height? Can you tell me how you will calculate? If H max is not asked, if time of flight is not asked, something else asked. After 2 seconds, what is the velocity of the ball? How you will calculate them? Come on, tell me how you will calculate them. Come on, tell me how you will calculate them. Apart from four equation of always remember, motion under gravity is nothing new. It is simply application of equation of motion which you just now saw. We calculated H max, we calculated time with the help of. So if H max is not asked, total time is not asked, only one way to solve the question. 4 equation of motion. Apply them, you'll always get the answer. I will give you one question. You write, come on. You write. When a ball is projected vertically upward. Now little tricky question. When a ball is projected vertically upward. Its speed. When a ball is projected vertically upward, its speed at 3/4 of H max. When a ball is projected vertically upward, its speed at 3/4 of H max is found to be at 3/4 of H max is found to be 10 meter per second. Is found to be 10 meter per second. When a ball is projected vertically upward, speed at 3/4 of H max is found to be 10 meter per second. Find first you write speed of projection. Find first speed of projection. Second, maximum height attained. Find first speed of projection, second maximum height attained. Now formula will not work. Work will be equation of motion. This is also previous year NEET question only. Very good, Kusma, you can use, no problem. 3/4 of H max means displacement is given to you. Final velocity given. Initial velocity they are asking you. You can find very easily using third equation. आसानी से आ जाएगा. But you have to read the question, understand the question, then only you will get. Once you will get U, you will get H max also. Everyone is saying third equation, but use it. Tell me how much it will come. This much of time is not required. If required H max value, you can put U square by 2G. 3/4 of H max now, you can put the value of H max. Dwarkadis has said something. Sharanya has said something. Different answers are coming. Draw always a small diagram that will always give you clarity. Don't solve directly. Motion under gravity, take a ball, throw it up, then try to get. Okay. 3/4 seems to be correct. H max 20, U will come 20. U will come 20. Now I am feeling correct. Yeah, correct. U square is coming 400. Ruchi, U square is 400. U is 20. U is 20. H max is also 20. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. You understood how to use equation of motion. Formula everyone knows, Baba. H max will be equal to. They also know that students are knowing the formula. That's why they don't give direct formula. They give questions based on equation of motion. So I think everyone will get. Those who are not getting, I will show you how to do. After that, I will give you one more question. Don't think this is the last question. One more question I will give you. Very simple. पहला चीज ध्यान दो, no one will solve. Follow the words which I am saying. Never solve question of motion under gravity without drawing diagram. If I am teacher, if you come to me also and ask any doubt of motion under gravity, I will also solve by drawing diagram also only. No one knows, no one can do without diagram. So draw the diagram, then solve. You'll always get answer more comfortably. I will simply say, so what is said? A ball is projected vertically upward. I don't know with how much speed. This speed they are asking you. With speed U. With speed U. And they are saying, speed of the ball at 3/4 of maximum height, means at a height of 3/4 of H max, speed of the ball is given. How much speed of the ball is given? 10 meters per second. Sir, I know ball is going against the gravity. A will be equal to minus G. Once you write, this is the question. Till now I have not done anything. I have just represented question in the form of diagram. Once you draw the diagram, na Baba, things will become very easy. अब साफ दिख रहा है. Even a blind person can see and tell. Sir, final velocity known, initial velocity they are asking, acceleration known, displacement known. Third equation, just pattern D. Sir, V square minus U square equal to 2A into S. Sir, what is final velocity given? 10. So 10 square. Initial velocity we don't know. Will be equal to 2A. 2A. A is minus G into S. S is 3/4 of H max, means 3/4 of H max. Now H max formula you can use. H max value you know. H max is, sir, U square by 2G. This is the displacement, sir. H max value we are knowing. I am just putting there. So this will become, sir, if you put it here, it will become, yeah, this will become 3/4 of H max. What is just H max? U square by 2G. No problem. Once you do this, now you can see 2 cancel, G cancel. Now from here you can get, this is 100 minus U square will be, never ignore this minus, yeah, otherwise answer will become wrong. So this will become minus 3/4 into U square. You can send this U square this side, so from here you will get U square as US. If you send this side, U square by 4 will come 100, means U will come 200. Once you know U, H max you can find. H max will be coming as U square by 2G. U square by 2G. Put the formula U square by 2G. That will become 20 square by 2 into G10. That will come 20 meter. Very good. Many people said the answer. How many of you got these answers? Come on. You can put me. You can put message as me. How many of you got correct answer? Kavita got, बहुत बढ़िया. Sranya got, Visheshya got, Ruchi got, Dipti got, Ramanath got, Blessy got. Jaldi jaldi baba. Naved got, Manish Chala got, Vavya got, Dwarka, these got, Lachna got. Yeah, Srinivasa Reddy got. Yeah, so I think everyone got the idea. I will give you next question. Chalo, next question. Yeah, Sajid Hussain also got. बहुत बढ़िया. Chalo, do the next question. Do the next question. And next question is in the form of diagram. I will give you in the form of diagram because diagram drawing practice is required. That's why then only you'll be able to do question with 100% clarity. I will give you one question in the form of diagram. One ball I am having here, I am throwing the ball with a speed of 40 meter per second. Ball is going at t equal to 2 seconds. I want what is the final velocity of the ball and what is the height ball is at now. What is this height of the ball? Now equation of motion will work. Very good. Visheshya, very good. Apart from maximum height, if any other place is asked, there is no other way. Only one way, that is equation of motion. Visheshya said both answers correct. बहुत बढ़िया Visheshya. Equation of motion you have to apply to get final velocity. If they ask H max, I know you can do. Sharanya also very good. Manish Chala also very good. Kavita also very good. Ruchi also very good. अरे क्या है इसमें बाबा क्या है? Apart from H max and time of flight, कुछ भी और पूछे. Anything else? Equation of motion. कान खोल के सुन लो. Hear this with your open eyes. Apart from H max and total time, everything will be solved with the help of equation of motion. Sir, after 2 seconds you want final velocity, I know. Sir, V equal to U plus AT. What is final velocity you want? What is U? 40. What is A? Minus G into T. How much time? 2 seconds. From here V will come directly 20 meter per second. 40 minus 20. Simple equation of motion. A we will take minus 10 because body is going against gravity. Body is thrown up, gravity down. For H you tell me which equation of motion, कौन सा equation use करोगे? For H which equation? कितना height गया? Means how much displacement it made? Which equation? कौन सा equation? जल्दी बता दो. You can use second also and you can use third also because now you know final velocity na, you know initial velocity na, you know A na, so you can use second equation also, you can use third equation also. I'll use second equation. So H will come ut plus half AT square. Now from here sir put the value. What is U? U is, this is not U is 40. So 40 ut, T is at 2 seconds plus half A is minus 10 into T square means 2 square. Cancel. That means 80 minus 20. That will give you 60 meter. This is the height of the ball at that time. Is it okay? If you want, you can use third equation also. If you use third equation, you can say, sir, V square minus U square equal to 2A minus G into H. Don't write H max. This is one height only. Yeah, so from here also if you calculate, this will give you 4, this will give you minus 1200. This will be equal to minus 20 into H. Now from here also if you calculate, H will be coming as 60 meter. Is it okay? समझ में आया? बोलो तोरगा. सबको समझ में आया? All the dimensions of thinking about motion and gravity I told you in this case. सब कुछ समझ में आ गया? एक बार बोल दो. Then I will tell you one thing. Last thing I will tell here. Last thing is left. Yeah. अच्छा, tell me apart from H max and time of flight, if anything else is asked, तो क्या करोगे? Apart from H max and time of flight, if anything else is asked, then what you will do? एक बार ये बस बता दो. Apart from H max and time of flight, if anything else is asked, what you will do? क्या करोगे? छोड़ देंगे? Equation of motion. Motion under gravity is nothing new. In IIT, there is no topic known as motion under gravity. For NEET people only we teach separately. For IIT people, this is also part of equation of motion. Nothing else. Yeah. So equation we can use, we can get. Now, dhyan dena one last thing. Yeah. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See all this situation. Then I will talk about that part. One last thing I will tell. Once completed, you can say done, sir. Already Kusma and Ramanath said done, sir. Okay. Now, dhyan dena. One thing. But for this thing, Valagandi required. Formula is not there. Nothing else is there. Only Valagandi is required. Once Chamka will happen, you will never forget this concept. So, dhyan dena. Bring the Valagandi. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Dhyan dena. Understand. Yeah. And Valagandi, I will not do. You have to do by yourself. You have to do Valagandi by yourself. Dhyan dena. Be focused. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Acha, when we throw the ball with speed u, with how much speed ball comes back? If you throw the ball with speed u, with how much speed ball comes back? Come on, tell me. Few things I will ask. If you throw the ball with speed u, with how much speed ball comes back? Sir, same speed u. Same. If you throw with u, ball comes with you. Acha, tell me, what is the final velocity? While going upward, what is the final velocity at the maximum height? While going upward, what is the final velocity? 0. Acha, while coming down, what will be initial velocity? While coming down, what will be initial velocity? 0. Yeah, okay, no problem. Are you not finding? Are you not? Now, dhyan dena. Wahan pe dhyan dena. Acha, while going up, sir, A is minus G. While coming down, A will be equal to plus G. Are you not finding that, sir, both motions are symmetric? एक ही motion है, only they are flipped. Whatever you are going, yeah, ध्यान देना. Are you not observing? Starting of upward journey is same as ending of downward journey, and ending of upward journey is same as starting of downward journey. Are you not observing this? Sir, that means, sir, when you are throwing the ball vertically upwards, sir, ball is performing two motion. It is going up also, sir, it is going down also. Sir, ascent is also there, descent is also there. If you look closely, you'll find that ascent and descent are symmetric. Only flip is there. Starting of ascent is same as ending of descent, and ending of ascent is same as starting of ascent, starting of descent. Are you getting this idea? Bol do twarga fast. Final I'm asking. Time le do. Are you not observing this? Or dekho, I cannot tell. जो भी whatever body is doing while starting of ascent, same thing it is doing during ending of descent. Whatever the body is doing during ending of ascent, same thing it is doing during starting of descent. That means ascent. You can write this point. Yeah, you got the Valagandi, you write this point. Then one last question I will tell. Dhyan dena. You write here upward and downward journeys are symmetrical. Here upward and downward journeys are symmetrical. Here upward and downward journey are symmetrical. And you can write like this: starting of upward is same as, you can write, yeah, starting upward is same as ending downward. Starting of upward journey is same as ending of downward journey. And reverse also you can do. That is what I am trying to tell. Vavya has identified what I want to tell. Now dhyan dena. Okay, no problem. Everyone got the idea? Just 2 more minutes. Is it okay? That is starting of upward will be same as ending of downward. Ending of upward will be same as starting of downward. So one question is asked. All these things I told you for one question. One question is asked like this. ध्यान देना, ध्यान देना. You write the question. चलो question बनाओ. Write the question. You write. You write. A ball is thrown vertically upward. A ball is thrown vertically upward. Find the distance covered by it. A ball is thrown vertically upward. Find the distance covered by it. Find the distance covered by it. During, find the distance covered by it during last t seconds of, find the distance covered by it during last t seconds of upward journey. During last t seconds of upward journey. Kusuma, that is for 1 second. I am asking for last t seconds of upward journey. You can tell in the terms of small g. G by 2 is the last 1 second, Baba. Last t second of upward journey, not 1 second. Last t second of upward journey. Find the distance covered by the particle during last t second of upward journey. थोड़ा दिमाग use करो. If I say last 1 second, then 4.9 g by 2 is the correct answer. I'm talking for last t second. So time is not there, so I will tell you. Okay. हाँ, Ruchi is saying correct. Ruchi is saying correct. Very good, Ruchi. Last t second of upward journey. एक बार देख लो, चलो. Think about this. Think about this. Last t second of upward journey means, so when the ball is going up, sir, you want distance travel during last t second. Last t second of upward journey means when the ball is going up during the last t second of upward journey, how much distance ball traveled? And you know last t second of upward, they are asking you distance during last t second of upward journey. But you know this distance will be same as distance during first t second of downward journey. And first t second of downward journey is very easy to calculate because you know when the ball will be coming down, u will be 0. So u into t plus half g into t square. That will be coming as half gt square. So this is the distance traveled by the body during last t second of upward journey. Because calculating this directly is very tough. Because u will change, initial velocity will not be known here, but for downward journey initial velocity will be known. So last t second of upward journey will be same as first t second of downward, and first t second of downward journey we can find very easily because we know downward journey u will be 0. So this from here we can find that will come half gt square. If anyone asks you last 1 second of upward journey, last 1 second of upward journey, you can put t1, that will become g by 2. That is your 4.9 meter. And this value will be fixed, constant. Because it is not depending on anything else. समझे क्या? बोलो बोलो बोलो. I told little fast. कुछ समझे? जल्दी बता दो. एक बार बता दो. समझे क्या? नहीं समझे. Sometimes you have to use, you have to be fast in order to understand. I'm just seeing whose class you have after this. Arun Pandey sir class is there. Last t second of upward is tough to find now because you don't know during last t second of upward what will be initial velocity. Initial velocity क्या होगा नहीं पता है. But first t second of downward journey we know the initial velocity now. That is easy to find because for downward u will be always 0. So ut plus half at square directly we will get. Think about this question. So this is up to this we have in our weekend syllabus also, vertically upward projection from the ground. For today we'll be ending class here. Bye. Take care. Bye. And come on, work hard. Put your best effort. Yeah. Bye. Take care. Bye. Yeah. Come on. QR code is important thing. I will show the QR code. But think upon this question by yourself. थोड़ा सोचना, then better understanding will come. Sometimes you start paper from the end na. If bio paper will be given at the end, if last part of the paper is bio, you will start from end na, because end will be easy for you. See, in the similar manner, up is tough, so down we will start. Down we can get easily. So you can see the QR code. Bye bye bye.